Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Wmpnetwk.Exe process is using a lot of CPU and memory usage on your computer. So if this is becoming an issue for you guys, this tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve it without too much of a hassle here. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu, type in regedit, it's regedit, best match to come back with registry editor. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now before you do anything in the registry, I would highly suggest you make a backup of it. So in order to do that, you just would go up to the file tab up at the top left click on export. File name, you can name it whatever you want. Generally speaking, I think naming it the date in which you're making the backup is a particularly smart move. Save as type, make sure just default.reg. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to a convenient location on your desktop or document folder, wherever you prefer, as long as you're not going to lose it. And then you just would left click on save. And if you were to go back and import it in, just would do file, import, navigate to the file, and then just import it back in and left click on open. So pretty straightforward process of how to do that. So once that is done, we're going to actually go back and open up the registry editor. So I accidentally closed out of it. You guys shouldn't close out of it. So in the registry editor here, you want to go expand the HKey current user folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing for the software folder. So double click or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing for Microsoft Now. Go down to Media Player. Media Player, you want to expand that. Should be something that says Settings in here. Expand that one as well. And there should be an HME folder. And if you guys think I'm going a little fast, feel free to pause the video, take note of the path on the top of the registry editor here, rewatch the video, slow the speed of the video down, whatever you prefer, but I just want to kind of keep it moving here. And on the right side, there should be a Disable Discovery D-word value in here. You want to go ahead and double click on it. And value data, if it's set at 0, just delete it. Type the number 1 exactly as it appears on my screen here. Left click on OK. If it's not already here, so disable discovery is all one word, you just would want to right click in a blank area, left click on new, and then select D-word 32-bit value. You would name it exactly as it appears on my screen right here. And then you saw how we modified the file. We just double clicked on it, and for value data we just typed in 1. Left click on OK. Should be able to close out of the registry editor at this point, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be able to have resolved your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.